Amiri. I'm happy to see you again. Today I want to talk about how to request a restricted dataset. If you are a researcher in the field of radiology, you need to have access to imaging datasets, and some of them are restricted, and the best of the sources is the TCIA, the Cancer Imaging Archive. Now I'm showing you a dataset. You can see the RSNA ASNR Mikhail Rats 2021, and here you see it is TCIA restricted, and you can download it easily like other public datasets. When you click on this part, you see it is downloading a PDF. You should fill it. Now I show you how to fill it. It's Microsoft Edge. In the first place, you write your full name, your TCIA username, then you write which dataset you want. I want that request this dataset. I show you in the web. And then you should write, before this you should write your email address. You need to have an academic email address. It's better because I couldn't to have access to limited datasets with Gmail, and the customer service told me that you should have an academic email. Then you should to write your organization. I've written my university name. ATTN, it's about your attention. Radiology, especially in cancer imaging. What are you focusing on? And the address of your organization, city, state, and zip code. Phone of that organization, fax of that, email of that, and you can sign this PDF with Adobe Connect and write the date, and then here you should write some description about what do you want to do and why you need this dataset. Try to write it in detail. It's make your chance higher to have access, and then you go to your Gmail, and the address is help@cancerimaging.archive.net. Request dataset. Hello, dear Tracy, our customer service, and say thanks and say you want to have access to this, and then you should attach the field document. I show you how you fill it, and then you click on send. Now you are waiting for have access. Thank you for watching